Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to submit expenses in Expensify so you can quickly get them approved or reimbursed. So let's get started with the video. First, log in into your Expensify account from the mobile app or website. You can log in into your account using any of these two methods. Then simply tap on the reports option at the bottom of your page. Simply tap on it, and when you are on this page, simply click on the three bars and click on expenses right here, and you'll see all the expenses you have recorded like receipts, mileage or purchases right in this window. I don't have any recorded expenses right now, but it will appear right here. Now choose the expenses you want to submit. You will find the expenses right here and you can simply tap it. You can pick a single expenses or multiple expenses at once. After selecting, click add to report, and if you have already reported it, select it, or you can create a new report and name it something like business trip or monthly expenses. As you can see, you can create a new report right from here as well. Once your expenses are added, go to the report, review the details, then tap submit. Your report will now be sent for approval or reimbursement depending on your setup. And that's how easy it is to submit expenses in Expensify. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop your questions below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.